Yeah, I'll just take a short review of this. See all that? Boom. Every day, on a new day.
Kings are not born. They are made by artificial hallucination. Kings must fight for empires. Madmen for applause. We must learn to live together as brothers, or perish together as fools. He that can walk is born to be a king of something. Too many kings can ruin an army. Focus on what works for you. Introducing the science of trading excellence. Trade with no fear of the markets. Win every single time. We are not your ordinary traders. We are professionals. We are money makers. Do you want to join us? Head over to our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification. Join our Telegram group and be a part of our community. We are KDMFX. Join us. Never lose again.
Rich people don't sleep 8 hours a day. That's a third of your life. It ain't even 4 hours in a day. You cannot be sleep 8 hours a day. You can't live in LA and wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 11 o'clock on the East Coast. The stock market been open 2 hours. They already making decisions about your life and your ass was asleep. The Bible says, he who loves to sleep and the folding of hands, poverty will set upon you like a thief in the night.
Guys, the simple thing is not about the lot size or whatever. It's just about a good setup, you see. And if you see such entries where you see a red bar there, that's TP for sales stop. You guys say boom and crash doesn't support, doesn't respect what? Sales stop. Well, check this out. That's a sales stop right there. Mostly when I'm taking trades, the swap is mostly high because I take trades when the candlestick is forming. So guys, yeah, this is just the thing which I have for you. Stay tuned, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on good stuff. Trust me, the very good stuff which you're going to miss out on. Because in the morning today when I was having a conversation, let me see, not here, when I was having a conversation with that's a video you're going to watch anyways. That's a video you're going to watch anyways. That's a video you're going to watch, you guys. You see the globe, how it's moving. It shows you the times. It shows you the times. You need to get yourself such a thing. So I was having a conversation today, and these are the results for today. See, I just sent him a Zoom. I was talking to him while he was even taking trades like that. guys, don't miss out on such things. Don't miss out. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Stay tuned. Turn on the bell notification if you don't want to miss out. The reason why you're losing, the reason why you're making losses is because you don't turn on the bell notification. You don't subscribe to this channel. Once you subscribe, your life is going to change. You're going to be like this guy. You're going to be like this guy. You're going to be like this guy. Trust me, you're going to be like this guy. No single loss. He's actually doubled his accounts. I don't know. You see? No single loss, guys. No single loss. Only using lot size 2 all the way. No single loss, guys. No single loss. Guys, what more? What more do you want? Subscribe. Stay tuned. Turn on the bell notification. Don't forget that. Once you subscribe, you turn on the bell notification, you're going to help out a lot of guys coming your way. Trust me. These are the results you're going to see. These are the results you're going to see. So do that. Once we reach at least 3K subscribers, I'm going to drop out. I'm going to drop off an exclusive again. An exclusive one. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Watch out. This thing is the one which is going to make... You're never going to blow an account after this video. Trust me. If you just follow instructions, no blowing accounts, guys. No blowing accounts. You saw the results. You saw the trades. No single loss. No single loss on this one. No single loss on my account. Yeah. Let's get it started. Let's get into it. And one more thing. yeah, you're going to be able to make withdrawals, guys. I would have showed you my results of my emails, but yeah, for security purposes won't do that. So yeah, here we go.
Don't be scared of lot size. You miss out on these. Don't be scared. That's a good entry.
For boom and crash, no sir.
Okay, anyways, this
boom.
is okay. So this is just going to be more like the whole setup, the whole full setup of the indicators for those guys who don't know how to set it up. Yes, so that it's going to be easy. So I'm just going to record the whole session, and yeah. I see you now have an interest of trading other commodities. Though you understand the spread when it comes to currency pairs, do you?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I do. I know some of them are very, very highly volatile.
Yes, too much.
Even US 30, NAS 100, all those ones. Even the crypto are very, very, very highly.
Yeah.
Even gold.
Yeah, gold and silver. Yeah.
All of them, I trade all of them, but I don't overtrade. Highest I go is 0.012 positions.
No, you don't over leverage your account. All right. It's good because that in 5 days at least I managed to double my account when I was trading currency pairs. But I was using the 4H, yeah, exactly, for H4 time frame, the 4 hours time frame. So that I can see, yes, so I can see the movement of the market. Which screen have you shared? Seems like you've only shared the screen for Octa MetaTrader. Just try to just try to share the whole screen, like the whole screen, so that I can navigate through the whole system. So how's trading been so far?
It's been okay, very, very good. In fact, all my profit I was gradually moving them to this to trading to this Octafix.
Oh, you're moving all your profit.
The profit I was, yes.
So the balance. So this balance is just profit.
Yes, sir.
From deriv.
I've been moving them since that day after that meeting.
Oh, is that day after that meeting? Oh, I see.
Yes, after that meeting.
Yes. So all you have to do is you just close the share, then you open it and you share the whole screen. Or if you go on screen share options, you can choose to share the whole screen.
Okay, let me just new share.
Yes.
I have this one too. I have this one. So can you have access to them? To two of them now.
Okay, let me see. If I close this one, let me see if I'll be able to see the whole desktop. If I minimize, no. So I'm going to stop you from sharing, and then you share again. All you have to do is you share the whole screen, like it will ask. There's a screen there. Don't just share the MetaTrader, the deriv, no, or any Octa Forex. Just share the whole screen, so that I can have access to the system files and yes, everything else.
Okay, let me do that.
All right.
I'm seeing where he's now showing me share. I've just click on share.
Yes. Then you're sharing now the whole screen. Should be. Let me see if it's a whole screen you're sharing now. Let me see. Okay, just try to minimize the Octa Forex.
Okay.
Let's try to minimize it. I want to see if I can see. Oh yeah, now I can see the whole screen. Okay, good. All right. Okay.
I'm not approving. Should I?
Yes, you can approve.
Okay,
yes.
No need that.
Yeah, you can approve. All right. Yeah.
Okay.
So all I need to do now is just look at the files. Oh wait, Octa Forex, you're using MT5, MT4.
Yes, and my MT4. Yes, that's the one I'm using. Do you prefer me moving the account to the MT5?
Yes, because all my indicators are based on the MT5, which means I need to make another, and I need to start coding other indicators for MT4 in order to use them with MT5.
Okay, but let me quickly. But I still have the account, the account in MT5. Let me quickly move it there now.
All right.
It will be better. Let me quickly move it.
All right.
Let me quickly, as quick as possible.
All right. And you don't even need to download all of these MetaTraders here. You can just use one MetaTrader for all the brokers. Yes. Then you can just be switching between accounts. Okay. So the derivative MetaTrader can work for even Octa FX. Yes. So like logging into your MT5 on the derivative MetaTrader, you can still have those indicators set up for you. Okay, so I see you are using this is just MetaTrader, which is linked to your derivative account. Yes. So this is MetaTrader linked to your derivative account, just the derivative account. Anyways, one thing I wanted to explain was this. I'm not really sure when it comes to crash. But let me see. Let me see if I find an opening somewhere. Let me see if you take a buy there, it goes up, spikes. This one doesn't come down because it's coming from resistance. Let me open boom. Open boom 500. I just noticed one thing. But anyways, this is just clear to see. Coming from the sell zone, so it's just a continuous spike. Because you can take your entries. This one shows the last movement. When the exponential 40 crosses to the other side, it shows the last movement of price. Yes, I want this one 5 minutes. Yes. So this one is making higher lows, and so it's an uptrend. It wants to maybe retest at this point, the verified resistance point here. So that's why maybe it's aiming for because I'm in it with a buy. I'm buying this one. So I entered my buy at this area here, this point. So it's just been going up.
You didn't enter from the verified support.
No, I was sleeping by that time. I was sleeping.
Okay.
Yes. So I woke up, I just found the setup already there, so I took it there. I could have taken that one, then I could have held. I was explaining to those guys. I was looking at then my explanation was based on this, the one which is low here. Yes, sir. You know, one thing I've noticed. Let me just zoom in a little bit. I just noticed one thing. Yes. So look at this. This is one thing people are not looking at. Let me show you. Despite the star and these other things, if okay, not even this one. Let me make it like this. Yes. So let's say this is a first spike. This is a okay, let me put it here. Yeah. So this is the first spike in 5 minutes. You see this spikes for you. The moment it spikes for you, you find another spike will come. This one. Okay. Then it's going to form a shooting star. So this shooting star, we know it's going to push price a little bit down. So spikes for you. Okay, it's a hammer candlestick. Yeah, some they call it a shooting star, but it's a hammer candlestick. So you find after you take your entry, it's going to spike for you. But the first 5 minutes of a trend, you're going to find yourself in profit. You see, maybe this is just a 2 minute trend, which is going to make profit before another block happens. You see,
5 minutes.
Yes. it goes down, it spikes for you, it comes back to this point, it will start again trending down, then it will spike up. So imagine you take your entry at this point, then you have to wait, and you are greedy enough, it spikes for you, it touches this point, you see the other movement, what's going to happen? It's going to come back at this point, your entry point. This is just to motivate you that you can actually hold to take back your profit this is the top part. So be mindful. This is not from support, because from support, when it spikes for you, so that's a different story for you. So this is we all know this is an uptrend market. The red MA and the yellow MA, they are all on the opposite side. You see, they're pushing price like on support.
They're pushing price up.
Yes, they're pushing price up. They're in the support, like it's a support. We call it, that's a support area, this side. Then the okay, let's say more like it. Okay, we'll just call them to be like support. Looking at, if we were to draw a trend line here, that's a support trend line coming from this point, coming from that point before a breakout. Okay, yeah, I'm sure I get it. A breakout is going to happen when the green MA crosses, going down to the other side, then the red MA is going to cross, and the yellow MA is also going to cross. Then that's going now to cause a resistance. So it means the price is going to be pushed down. So my simple explanation is here, like this. You take your entry after a spike, even after this point. All these points for the top part, all of them, price will always come back down to your profit. It always comes back. Even after this double spike, you enter, it trends down. Okay, you take your sale there. It goes. This is where it's going to end at this point, where the yellow MA touches. Then it pushes price up. It will spike. So the only thing I'm trying to do here is just risk management to see how much loss you're going to be in. For those guys who have smaller accounts, so your account, I'm sure it can sustain $2. So even if a spike catches up to you, you can still hold and come back to profit at this point. Then you can take your TP when the red MA is about to touch. Because again, when it spikes for you, it's going to pass that point. You need to wait until it reaches this point. You see, I'm talking about this entry here. If the entry was here, you have to because market is consolidating at this point. So you see, it has to come back. You have to wait until it comes back here. After this point, this is the last point. After this point, the other point is here where you take 0. Then from there, you just have to cut your loss short, because it won't come back. It will maybe blow your account if your account is so small, but we all know it's coming from support, so it's a spike trade. And the red MA is just down here.
Below.
Yes, it's just below. Yes, it's just below. So we know it's an uptrend market. Yeah. So my entry, you see, goes up. So my entry was there. I caught all these spikes.
If guys not taking, might even break that resistance.
Yes. That's why I said you cut your loss short, because you don't have to hold for a long time. You know it's an uptrend market. But the thing I'm mostly explaining on is this: the top part. After I see the wiki, 5 minutes blocks always come back. 5 minutes block always come back. 1 minute, guys will be scared because they don't know how the market is moving, because that 1 minute is just way too small. So you see, the highest point is this one. The highest point is this one. You take your entry, you go down. The highest point of this one was here. The one which has just spiked was this one. Yes, was this one. So maybe you can observe this one and see what's going to happen after the block, after it has already touched the resistance here. So we're going to see if it's going to break it, because it's already in the upper Bollinger Band. So it might come down and just touch this part before it spikes again, or it can continue going a little bit down. Maybe a support is going to be at this point. There's going to be another support is going to be formed at this point. Maybe a weak support here. Then since it's already there, it has already touched that point. So let me see what's happening right now. So you have already you see it's at this point.
Yes.
So the highest point, like that's why I would say you take your entries at the start point. So even after the start point, that's one and the same thing, but they're a little bit late. Though if you take after a spike, yeah, you're good to go. After a spike, at least you're good to go. So at this point, market is even showing a down arrow, so which means it's going to maybe come down to this point again. So the scalping you saw in the, I don't know if you saw the scalping I did. Was it yesterday when I was taking trades in 5 minutes?
I saw it.
Yes. Well, at least 15 minutes, you make at least maybe $20 in 15 minutes. Or if you are just taking five minutes candlesticks and using lot size 2, you just make at least 15 in 15 minutes. So which means $1 per minute before it spikes.
Okay.
Before it spikes, yeah. But you at least have seen you're consistent. You're consistent with 5 minutes. I mean, two lot size. Yes, 2 lot size, 5 minutes candles. Yeah, it's good.
Sometimes I don't even allow you to get to 5 candles. I'm off.
Yeah. So that, yeah, you're safe as long as you're compounding your account in that way. You're not making losses. You're just making profit. Yeah, you're good. You're going to grow, and I've already seen the good results. So that's why that's the reason why I've been recording this session. So maybe that other guys can learn from this, because I don't know how difficult it is for guys to just understand the concept of all this. But at least I'm just hoping everyone is just going to understand. Because when we move to the next level, it will be very difficult for them to understand. Because all my students, that time when I had the first students I had, we started from the 1 minute candlestick. We went to the 5 minutes. 5 minutes, we went to the 15 minutes. 15 minutes, we jumped to the 30 minutes candlesticks. 30 minutes candlesticks, we skipped 1H, 4H. We went direct to the daily candlestick. Because I'm sure you don't even know about the daily candlestick.
Wow.
Yes, because if I tell you about the daily candlestick, that one is the one now.
I know there is daily, but I'm.
Pardon?
I'm hearing you. I say that the 1 day candlestick, that one I've noticed there is 1 day candle, but I'm scared of that one getting to that place.
Yes. So that one, looking at the difference in time, you're done with. You're done with.
Yes, I've moved it. Yes, I've moved it. All
right. So you can log in here. Just go to when you go to add there, like let me assist. You click on file. Okay, you can click on file, then you go to add an account, and you type in the broker OctaFX. Log into a trade account. Open an account. Yes.
Okay, log to trade account.
No. Go to open.
Log into. Okay, sir.
Yes. So there you look for the broker. Yes, you type in the broker. Yes. So the daily candlestick, the same formation which you see in the 1 minute candlestick formation, 5 minute candlestick formation. That's the same thing which happens in the daily candlestick. And that one, the only thing people don't know is that it happens 24 hours. So 24 hours is basically where the market shifts to form another candlestick. So it only happens here.
Okay, that's 24 hours.
Yes. So here in GMT +2. Here in Zambia, South Africa, Botswana, all these countries which are aligned in the GM2, it happens exactly around 02. That's 2 a.m. in the morning. Okay. Yes. So you who's in Nigeria, it has to happen around
Nigeria.
Yes, 01 a.m.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So that's when another day candlestick forms. So what I was explaining to the guys that the candlestick, the way it behaves, sometimes it will form a week, or before it will push direction, maybe coming to become like bearish. Then it will form a week when it spikes up, which is going to be bullish. So it's going to go up now. Then that small tail is going to be there. It's just going to support the whole trend going up. So with these indicators added up, so it's just going to be added. In. Yes, I've seen. So if you have logged in, what you do, the assets which you can put here, since OctaForex has NAS, just type in NAS there, then to bring NAS take. Yes. So if you want to add Nasdaq, US30, have you traded US30?
Yes, I traded it, but it was highly volatile. It just put me to.
Hello? Oops. Network down, network go back. Hello? Hello, your mic is muted.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I can get you now. Okay. So share your you can share your screen again. I don't know, network cut. Hello? Hello? Can you get me?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can get you.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. So what we do now is let me see. Navigation. Let's close the navigation. We open the market watch. So from market watch, what you do is which one do you like trading now, NAS or US30?
NAS.
Okay, NAS. So we open NAS on a new chart. And one thing about NAS is that it follows the whole setup of resistance and support.
Okay.
Though if you look at the chart right now, it's just going in a buy, just moving in a buy direction. Let me see. Yeah, it was doing something right here. So the only thing you do, just go to the templates. This template we saved last time. Just load it up. Yes, when you load it up.
Okay.
So for NAS, the LTD is not going to be supported. So you just have to rely on the moving average. Yes, the LTD only works with boom and crash volatility indices. The new jump which has added to these what do you call these? This new jump which has been added to derive.
Okay.
You can't trade with the LTD, but you only just have to rely on crossing of the MAs from the top part. Then let me see the kind of zoom level you can use on this one. So price is already at support right there in 1 minute. Let me see the zoom level, which is going to be just okay. Trade out, market watch out. Yes. Okay, so that zoom level looks just to be fine. The fourth one, this one, because this one shows you where the double top happened from. You see, and the exit point is where the crossing of the exponential moving average crosses from. From that point, you take your entries at any point. You see what we're talking about, the red MA. It's now acting as what? It's now acting as resistance. You see, it's
resistance is not the one pushing the price down.
Yes, and it's still pushing price down even after the start. Maybe it wants to break the support, this support here. It might break it because the untested resistance sometimes it's stronger than the verified support. Then if it forms another support at that point, it can break it. Though we can go to the 5 minutes time frame again to just make a confirmation. You see, the crossing happened just from there, the sell point. Then it goes down.
Okay.
You see? So now it's more like in the buy, it's pushing price a little bit up like that. So looking at the setup here, this is where the 1 minute support is at. Objects. Sometimes you just have to add your own things. You can insert to just find the key support and the key resistance. So you go to objects, we put a rectangle there. I want to put a rectangle. Yes, this rectangle. So we're going to put the rectangle at this point here. Okay. Hey. I'm still having problems with my mouse.
Okay. But you're getting it now, and I'm following.
Yes. Yeah, because that one is just going to be more like a support, which is just going to be there. You can let me see if I can feel it from where it is.
Oh, do you trade crypto?
Yeah, Bitcoin, USD. But at the moment, I just want to focus on boom and crash. I'll go back to those commodities later on. Object list. Oh, this is an indicator list, object list. So maybe we can fill it up to be green, so that you can see. Maybe you can even observe, because looking at 1 minute, this is 5 minutes. 5 minutes is not showing it. 5 minutes is not showing it. Yes. 5 minutes is not showing the support, but 1 minute is the one which is showing the support. So just going to fill it up. Yes. So where is parameters? You just fill it up. It looks to be too big. Yes. So fill it up green like that. So that's a support right there. So the support is the one which is reflecting in 1 minute. You see? It's one and the same thing which is in 1 minute.
Yes.
Yes. So this one is the one which maybe it's going to be broken. It's verified because untested. It has to maybe go back and make a retest there. But yeah, you know the principle of trading right now. Well,
Okay.
yes, these things only give you.
Yes,
at least
sir.
you don't have to do the whole week where you get the triangle, you draw it, but it draws for you. But if you need it, maybe in a hard time frame, you can do that. Because if we move it maybe to 30 minutes, that's where we're going to see. Okay, it's not even shown there, but we drew that support right there somewhere at that point. So looking at it in 30 minutes, this is going to be a downtrend. It's going to push price down. Yes.
Down. Okay.
So anyways, yeah, I'm sure we're done now. Let me not disturb your mind. You just have to do your analysis now. You draw your trend lines, whatever you're going to do, and make use of the whole thing. I'm sure you know how to.
Boss, can you please add gold? Add gold and silver for me.
Or add gold and silver. Oh yeah, you're now interested in only trading commodities.
Yeah,
that's a good thing.
If I check them, anyone that has a good entry, I'll just cap it.
Okay. XUA USD. I don't know if gold is written as gold in depending on the broker. Not too sure.
I see
Okay.
it.
Yeah, it's there. So So which means I just have to write gold or silver, then it brings the thing.
How is it not added? It's doing magic.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Okay.
Mistake. Why are they not adding up?
That's what I'm saying.
Give me show all. So okay, so the only assets you can trade is that's this one. There's Bitcoin also.
They are there already.
Okay. We've shown all of them. I don't know. Maybe you can just try to hide whatever you're not going to trade, or maybe which you're not going to be trading. You can just hide it.
Okay.
Yes, you can hide it. Or you want me to add it on the main, or you want me to add it on the chart?
Yes, sir.
Because the thing is, your chart is just going to have a lot of them at once. Anyways, let's do this.
Okay.
Let's do this to make it more easy. Let's do this. Let's just do this real quick. Let me just open this. We can still maintain this thing where you only trade volatility indices, deriv indices, using the deriv MetaTrader. Then
Okay.
yes. Oh, these you just added them. Okay.
I've been there for a long time.
Okay, let me
Some
just.
of these indicators, I was just seeing them when I was started learning.
Okay, let me just get the ones which I know which are going to be important right now. Candlesticks, MA, 920 stars, support and resistance. What else? Okay, just these. I just copy.
Up candle time by.
Oh, the candle time as well.
Up a bit before the fifth scalper. Up is up. Good. You just passed it.
Let me add it as well. So to just make a copy, so that you won't be inconvenienced. Because looking at how the chart is going to be, you can use the MT5, just the MT5 for Octa Forex. Then you can use deriv for boom and crash if you want to be trading boom and crash.
Okay.
Yes, that's going to be easy that way. No, not to bloat up everything where you're just going to have a lot of things at once. It's not going to be a good thing, yes. So I'm sure now this is now where people are now going to see how to set up the whole thing.
Okay.
Kindly open for me deriv MetaTrader right there. I'm trying to click it, but it's not opening. No, not here. Not here.
Okay.
Yes, this one just close it. There's that one which is on the desktop. It's written deriv.
Okay, there's one on the desktop.
Yes, this one, yes.
Deriv. Okay, I've seen
Yes.
deriv.
Yes.
I should open it.
Yes, open it, yes. So one which you are going to use the deriv account on.
Okay.
Yes.
It's opening.
Aha.
That's opened.
So this one, okay. Yeah, the strategy tester here. There's just a lot of things which are happening here. Okay, let's close these.
Morning.
You're also doing a strategy tester.
All those ones are what I was just cooking together before I met you now. Is when you meet your helper, that is when things begin to move. I was just trying everything. Different people confusing me.
Different people confusing you. How didn't I manage to confuse you?
This is my own strategy. This is indicator.
Yeah. How didn't I manage to
meet somebody who tell you he's the best? Meet somebody who tell you he's the best, that you should do this, you should do that. Give you an indicator, you download, and this still is not working. So I will tell you, account manager, they blew my account. I've lost close to. It's better I do my trading.
But how am I not confusing you? If others manage to confuse you, how am I not confusing you?
This one is. You're not confusing me because you're making things right, and in fact, giving somebody what he needs, a proper understanding with a good illustration. That is exactly what we need now.
All right.
To apply it, it works for you, and what else are you looking for?
I don't know. I don't know what else you're going to look for in the market. So these are the things we needed, to get started on the tariff. Just add those, and the only thing now left is we need to add commodities now. So we open control. In order to open that tab without going to any other steps, all you have to do is just click on Control M. It will open the market watch. See what I'm doing?
The Control M.
Control M, yes. Okay. Then if you want to add the indicators, just click Control N. It will bring up the navigation bar. So here, what you just have to do after opening that, just come at this point, and because right now, if we go back to the boom we're trading, is it boom? There's that mark we added in the 5 minutes candlestick. So we just want to make confirmation to see if price still passed the
boom. Yes.
So we open the new chart. We marked that entry from the top part of that first one. So that was a 5 minutes. So we go to view. So we're going to see if 5 minutes actually came back. So if it comes back, which means my thing is now 100%. Someone just has to follow the entries to be at the top part. Because if they don't follow, which means then there's just something wrong with those guys. So the 5 minutes, why did we mark the 5 minutes? This is 5 minutes. I wish we can go back to that one. Yes, but let's do this because it has just spiked again. So let's do this. Template. So we just go to load templates. We just look for the templates. KDMFX template. Here we're not going to find it here. We're not going to find it here. So we go back to the terminal. Then the terminal has all these. So depending on all these, there should be one, which is this is MQ5, MQ4. There's a logs. But anyways, whatever it is, market was being pushed down because it touched the verified resistance. So that mark we marked, the one I was telling you, if you have seen that spike, which spiked, it has actually come down. That one has come down. Profiles. Let me see if we're going to find. They have joined you in the morning today.
Yeah. Once they woke up, they will join me in my room before they start dressing for school.
Okay.
They don't know what I'm doing here. I have not been sleeping. That one doesn't concern them. They don't know.
I cannot imagine. Okay, anyways, let's go back to this one. Let's do this. Let me just get a temp file from here. Let me just do this. Let me just copy the temp file. So in 1 minute, it's pushing price at that support. It's still pushing price up. If you go back to 1 minute, yes, this is you see it's actually trying to break. So which means it has broken this one, the first part.
It has broken it. It has broken.
Yeah, it does. So it's now coming at this point. Okay. Anyways, what we're here for? This one is still a downtrend. If you mark your entry just for purposes of
confirmation.
Yes, you are going to see how market is going to move. So if you do that, then next time you don't have to just let it go down. You have to take full advantage of it. So easy thing. I just copy this. You know, it's very easy. It's very easy switching from that one to the other one. Like we just do this later. Then we just do this. The only thing I just wanted to confirm and to make full confirmation was that entry.
Okay.
Someone is playing with the keyboard now.
It's my little child. I just shifted him out.
Yes, I know. I know. They want to learn as well. Should teach them how to trade. Maybe when they're 16, 17, they can join you.
I will soon teach them, but it's time to go to school.
Okay, so we managed to load the first temp file, you see? The first one without the candlesticks and the other thing. So all you have to do now is just have to click here and you open up navigation. Control N to open navigation, then Control M to close the market watch. Then all you have to do now, you have to go to the KDMFX to just load up the files in an easy way. My only concern is that entry, which was the one we marked that time. That's the only concern I have right now. Where price always comes down. People don't believe that. They cut their losses sometimes. They're scared. So if they know this, I'm sure now they're going to take it to the advantage where I used to do that entry where a spy catches up to you, you open another entry from the top, then you go down with it.
Okay.
Yeah. Now the problem is we can't see the indicators here. I don't know why. I don't know why we can't see them. Oh, well, in the favorite. Sorry. Went to the favorites. Yeah. Oh, you can add your favorites. Okay, that's a good thing. You just add your favorite indicators, the ones you want to use. So I'm still working on a project.
There's one that you were advertising. You were telling us.
Yes. When I'm done.
The one that will double someone's account.
It's one and the same thing. The intro was just from the top. This one, the same trade which is happening right now, is the same trade which doubles the account. Yes. Because you hold that this. Okay, let me show you. The points are at this point, like this one. You see where my yes, this is the point where you take your entry. You go down to until you reach this point.
Okay.
So the only things now we need to do is just get these. We add it.
Okay.
Oh, the values have to be front to when we're going to change them. You get the color. Oh, the LTD is not supposed to be there.
I am in a meeting.
But okay, let me just add everything real quick right now. Let me save another file.
I can see the is going down now.
Which one?
Is retracing the spikes. The candlesticks is going down. Is now selling.
Oh yeah, it's now selling, right?
It's now selling.
Yes, but like I told you, like when you take your entry at that point, you don't have to worry about the next movement. The next movement is just going to come back at that point.
Okay, I understand. But it's not at every point, too.
Yeah, no.
Yes.
Like I said, when coming from the resistance zone, that's when you just take those entries. But anyways, what I'm working on right now, we don't need to do all this. You see, that's a support which was showing there. You see, and now price is now coming down. I'm sure guys who are going to watch this are going to benefit off of this. If they are going to be ignorant and not watch it, then that's the only thing. I don't want to repeat myself over and over again. I don't know how hard it is for people to understand these things, but they're just easy. So the non-repent stars are the ones which represents the entries, because even at the non-repent stars, you enter yourself from there. It's one thing which is very safe, as long as you're coming from resistance and you're trading boom. Yeah, you're safe. So these
I can see it because
yes,
you can allow sometimes it get to even resistance. Get to resistance level. Verify resistance level. You can open another one. Open another position.
yes.
As this one is the in case you catch up with the spike as it's retracing, this one is giving you profit as well.
Yes, you understand. That's the thing. I was. You saw the thing I was saying that time in the morning. I got spiked.
Okay.
I got spiked twice. The same movement.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I enter. The thing is, 5 minutes. Sometimes it did the fake out entry where I took an entry, then it spiked again, and it spiked again. Then I held those positions. I opened up another one on top. It's one which even made more profit. The time it came back, it made about that was how much? How much was that? How much was that? It was almost 100. Yeah, it was almost 100. Because I closed.
Yeah.
I closed the first one, which spiked, the one which was under. Then I left the other one which was on top to trade. Then it went. It made 70 afterwards. So, yeah. So let me just finish up with the configurations. The Bollinger Bands look just to be fine. This one looks just to be fine. The crossing and everything else. The OTD just have to change the values to 2. I'm sure now someone now is now going to know the concept of on how to go about everything. And there's this guy, I don't know this guy from Botswana. He's busy commenting on my YouTube stuff. He's saying I'm
not trading.
Huh?
Is he trading or he's just observing?
I don't know. This guy is saying I'm trying to scam people.
Imagine. That is always it. Boss, let me tell you, whatever you're doing well and you're not getting opposition, that thing is not right. But the moment you're getting opposition, enemies, that means you're on the right track.
You're on the right track. So you're seeing, that's a breakout.
Yeah.
3 stars represent the trend line. So 3 points, it touches in a breakout. Boom. So that's a breakout now. So you see, all the entries on the top part of the candlesticks, you can still get back. Let me show you this. The time I was explaining to you, you saw the ones I was marking on top, like this one, this point. It does not come back to profit. If you just in case you took your entry at that point, it does not come back to profit. You see, the entry which was there, the one which we took, was it this one, or it was this one on top before the spike?
It was
it was this one.
Yes.
It was this one before this big spike. Yes. It was before the big spike.
Spikes. Okay.
Yes, you see, it has not come back to.
Now it has retraced.
It has not retraced back to that point.
Entry point.
Yes.
Okay.
So you see,
it's in a little profit itself. Yeah.
Yeah. So here, if you're not feeling comfortable, if you're not feeling safe, you can just cut your profit. And yeah, because at this point your entry would have been now on top, where you take another entry from the top part, so that the moment it catches up to this point, you can close the one which is on the bottom. You close that one, then you hold that one. So just because
yes, and close the one that is retracing. Yes. Oh, that's wonderful.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure this thing is not
one
going
need to be careful to know the points.
So the thing we're talking about,
you can play that trick.
Yes, and you see the thing we're talking about the support, the red, it has now crossed to the other side with orange, or with the yellow one now. It's now going down.
Okay, yellow one. Okay, now. Okay.
So the derivative metal trader, you're going to use it to trade boom and crash. Then let's get rid of the other ones which are here. I'm just going to save the temp file real quick so that we just get rid of. You see, that one has even broken the other support again. It's now going down. It has formed the weak resistance.
Nice.
You see?
Yes.
So if you took your entry at that point, I don't know where we entered the market from. Where did we find it from? Was it here? It has gone
up a little bit up.
It was a little bit up. It was somewhere here.
Yes.
Yeah,
and it moved.
Yes, it has even moved.
It has sold. It has sold. Man, this is money. This is dollars.
yeah. You're going to make all these. Very soon you're going to come up with a statement because I've seen how fast you're pushing. Yeah.
Because they have really dealt with me. They have scammed me. Account managers blew my account, $500. The people, in fact, I entered this learning. Immediately I come into contact with you. I open my heart I must get this thing right. That's my determination.
Oh yeah, I see. And it's working out for you. So we're just going to get rid of all this. So here you just be trading NAS, US30 and the like.
Okay.
And I'm sure the more you're going to make money, the time you reach maybe 1,000. I don't know, maybe I've reached 1,000. You increase your lot size. Maybe yes, you can increase your lot size. You start trading at least 5. Because you know the setup how it is. You know, I've seen you the whole week. You've just been making profit. Increase your lot size and boom, that's it. And with this new information added up, what are you going to be scared of? All you have to do just calculate your risk.
Yes. That's what I'll be doing. You know, I'll be moving out. If I have not been moving out the profit, I think my equity in this derivative should be getting close to $500. But I've been moving out the equity to start up this one. So I'll start growing the equity again. Let me see. I have in mind of having, if I have 500 to 1,000 equity, I'll be able to open up, even if it's one position, but five unit, 5 lot size.
Oh yeah.
To catch up my scalping strategy.
Yes, because what it is that 2 candlesticks of on 1 minute. If you're using 25 lot size, you make about $20. So you don't have to even stay in
1 minute.
Yes, 1 minute.
Okay.
You make $20. So you don't even have to be in the market for a long time. Oh, I mean, no, not 1 minute. That makes 15. Then 2 candlesticks will make something like $20 to $30.
$30. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, you need to do it. I'll trade it. Trade is risk. And the moment you understand it, you break the psychology.
Yes.
But I've been trading, even since in this boom now, from that uptrend. The moment you showed me that, when you showed me that I can open up another position as it's retracing and making my profits, I opened another position. I placed trade though, and I'm getting close to $20 already now.
Oh,
I'm about to close.
Wait, which
one? Pair is $7 now. I opened 3 positions. The boom, 500. The moment you said it, I didn't waste time. I had to take advantage of the retracement there. I'm closing the positions now. I'm closing it. $7. $7. Wow. This is not magic. This is knowledge. There is difference between knowledge and magic.
So I'm teaching you while you're even doing the whole thing.
Wow.
You remind me of my brother. At the time I was teaching, he was busy trading.
Imagine.
Yes.
Boss, I'm close to $40 now. I just closed it.
Oh, close to $40. The same thing.
Yes, I just closed it now. I just capped it. I opened it. I saw the trend moving so downwards. So I took advantage of it. Oh, here we go. Boom. I've sent you the result.
Oh yeah.
Have you seen the result?
Yes, I've seen. That's $39 right now. Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
So is this the same one or is this the same account? Or it's a different account? Oh, this one's a different account. Oh, I see.
It's a different account, yes.
Okay, anyways, you can still log into the other account so that yeah, it will be easy for you. Anyways, yeah, you're understanding everything. You're even taking advantage of the lectures right now.
Yeah. Yes, because I really saw I saw it getting to the support zone. That is resistance. Sorry, it got to the resistance and it's retracing back, start selling. I took advantage of it.
Oh yeah.
I opened the first 3 positions. It gave me $3 plus at close. As we are still talking, the moment you told me that the red MA has moved over to the other side, crossing the yellow MA, I entered again 3 positions that gave me $7 each. That's how I did the calculation.
Okay, that's good. That's good. At least you're catching up. I wish everyone can just be like you.
You see, one thing with them is scared of losing more, and there's so much argument. That is the thing. So much argument.
Yeah, they don't want to do things. They just want
argument.
To be.
And also, boss, I want to tell you time.
Then
everybody needs signal. Everybody needs signal.
No, they want signals.
Yeah, but boss, it's okay. But I think strategist was pleading you for your confirmation. For us to have a general trade, you can still locate that one, sir. At least some of them have blown their account. They're looking for a way to get little capital to start, little equity to start. So I'm pleading, even if it's 30 minutes trade on Zoom, everybody enter the position, the ability to manage your risk.
Okay. Listen. So listen up. The easy way, the thing I'm working on is this. Like the same thing I told you, they set up about the spikes where you get caught up that market is going to retrace back at that point. The easy thing is this. You see where the MA has touched the sale.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It has touched the sale at that point, going down all the way. And the exponential 40 MA has even crossed at that point. So which means you can still take advantage of the old trend. Yeah. That's the easiest thing you can do. Oh, and let me just the LTD, the last values of the LTD.
Okay.
Before I've seen your PC wants to go to sleep right now. Here we just have to put it at least 200. Change the values to 200. Maybe you can assist the time with this. All right. Just delete the 300. Just put 200 right there. So I want you to delete. I want you to help me delete the 300.
Okay.
Then you only put 200 there. Okay. I think I've done it. Okay. So the as usual, red shows down selling power, green shows buying power.
Okay.
So yeah,
Blue.
Yes, blue shows buying power, red shows selling power. So even
Selling power,
so even on these, I think we're just going to change these green bars. We're going to change them because coming from that top part there, there's just been selling.
Okay.
There's been selling, going down.
Okay.
See that? So after this, I'm sure I'm just going to teach you about the daily candlestick. When you know about the daily candlestick, and I'm sure if you watched some of my videos where I take entries for the whole day, I'll just close after 12 hours, 12-hour entries.
Okay.
Then you understand.
Wow. Boss, just give me brief. just give me a little light on it. I can watch it and just give. Let's go to daily. Just give me just one tip, only one sentence from it.
You remember the guys who made 1K in just in a short space of time.
Yes.
Okay, let me zoom into a daily candlestick. Give you one last thing. You see, the formation of these candlesticks, the daily candlesticks.
Okay.
I'll give an example on this one. This one, the time it formed as a bullish one. It was going up. So it formed this small tail. See the small tail? Wait.
Okay.
Let me see the market movement. Let me see. The explanation comes from let me see. When it went down, it formed this one went up, it came down, it went up again from this one went up, it came down, made the retracement, came to this point, then it was going up, and started going down. So it went all the way down to this point. So this is the point where it's been closed. So at this point, it's now pushing price going up. So it will go up maybe. Yes. So this week seems like price is still moving a little bit up. So it might come back and touch this point. You know how it works. This is resistance. So it's pushing price down coming from that point. So which means all these days, if you follow the rule of this, it will push price going down. You can go down with price like that. So you can actually hold for maybe 2 days, 3 days, going down with price like that. If you just understand the whole candlesticks.
Yes, it started from 5th of March. Started going down from 5th of March.
Yes. Yeah, you understand all this. So yeah, it's just going to be easy for you. So yeah, you can go down every block. You can go down with it. So it has spiked. It has spiked a little bit harder. I'm sure it has spiked a little bit harder. This one. Let me see. So yeah, it has now passed that point.
Wow.
Not really past that point, but this was the first entry. You see, this was like the first entry we talked about. Then it spiked, then it spiked again. But all these top parts where you see a wiki like that, you are safe, 100% safe. Looking at the previous movement of market, even at this point, you can mark this point.
You still go down.
Wait. There is this point. If you took your entry at this point, this is like the top part. Yeah, this point. So come down. Yes, this point. This one is moving. Yeah. That's why I want to start trading with lot size 30 and be consistent with it.
Okay.
Yes, at least that one makes profit faster. Yes, you see, from that point, though, you need to be careful because it's still an uptrend market. Because looking at it might go up. Looking at where the MA is at, still in the buy zone. Let me just zoom in. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Maybe it has been touched the support. Just touched, almost touched the support. Almost.
Almost all the weak support.
Yeah, so this one can be broken to touch this one, to test this and test it. But if there are two, which means buying power is slightly higher than the selling power, because there are two here.
Okay.
Yes, might push price. It might make a retracement, maybe retest here. When it retests here, it will come back now with momentum to break this one. Anyways, you can just observe.
Let me target it too. Let me observe it.
Yes.
Let me observe it to this point, to watch when it will break when it will get to that.
Yeah.
Let me observe it when it will get to this point.
Yeah.
This point.
Yeah, and you see, and you see the values I've put now. You see where this thing is showing you that downtrend is moving, and you see.
Okay.
You see where the color changed. It turned and the color changed and the exponential crossed. So you can take your entries at that point. You're just good. Just good to go with the thing. Going down with it. That's 1 minute. Then 5 minutes. 5 minutes we're talking about the wiki. Yes, like that wiki there. Then 5 minutes candlestick is now forming. Might maybe reach somewhere at this point. Form another one. If it doesn't form another one, another spike.
Okay.
Yes. sure now we're done.
Yeah. I will soon get back to that one day to really look at it again.
Yes, look at it, observe it, and when you know it, you're good.
Okay.
Yes, next time I'll just see results. You just tell me, look at what I've made. I've swung like the whole day.
Okay, sir.
I was in the market for the whole day. All right, it's morning. It's morning now.
I mean, all this while you've been trading and teaching and managing everybody in the hospital bed.
No. I was home. I was discharged. The corona issue.
Hello.
Okay. Yes.
Boss, there's something I want to ask you. Please go to look at the one day chart. The one chart. I saw multiple arrows. Okay, it has disappeared. Okay, yes, it's still there.
Yeah, I also saw more.
Back, I tried to scroll it back to towards December, 1st January. Sir.
Yes, I can get you.
Boss.
I can get you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
There's something that is showing here now. It's showing that it will be going up. It's showing me on the day, one day, that it will be going up.
Yes.
On the 10th, that boom 500 will be on uptrend.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yeah.
But still the
but you need to wait
MA,
for
the two MAs are lying at the buyer's zone.
Yes. So that one is the one which was just yesterday. Yesterday when it was spiking up, going up. Started yesterday spiking up.
Hello, sir.
Yes. 3 days ago it was spiking up, going up. So this was supposed to be the entry for a buy. Then it goes up, goes all the way up.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Wow, I'm grateful. Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome.
So much. God bless you.
All right, God bless you too. God bless you too.
If I know what God says about me, why would I give up what God says about me for an opinion of what somebody thinks about me who didn't make me, form me, knit me, call me, bleed for me, die for me?
You don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong go. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press and to subscribe. Now, yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press and to the get our notification so that I go there among the first person to see our skits. Now you feel the go. Thank you. And
We are KDMFX. Join us. Never lose again.